Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rajesh Learn and Laugh. Today is the holiday one and we visited in beautiful Hatta Dam. Hatta Dam is surrounded in mountains and lovely blue water. The view was so amazing and peaceful. We enjoyed the fresh air and the beautiful nature. I saw so many people doing kayak and boating in the water. It looks very fun and exciting. We also clicked lots of photos, enjoying family time together. Hatta is great for holiday and for picnic and nature. It was wonderful days during my holidays. If you enjoy my video, subscribe, share, comment and like. Thank you.